Assalamualaikum, Pakistan. Good evening, dear friends. I hope you all are doing good out there by the grace of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Today, I'm at Chaupal Restaurant, Karachi, a vibrant city known for its rich culture and diverse cuisine, offers a plethora of dining options for food lovers. One such gem that has captured the hearts and taste buds of locals and tourists alike is Chaupal Desi Exotic Buffet Restaurant. Nestled in the heart of Karachi, this culinary heaven promises a gastronomic journey like no other. Chaupal Desi Exotic Buffet Restaurant seamlessly marries tradition with innovation, creating a dining experience that tantalizes both the palate and the senses. The restaurant takes pride in its dedication to preserving the authenticity of traditional Pakistani cuisine while infusing modern techniques to elevate the dining experience. As patrons step into Chaupal, they are greeted by an ambiance that transports them to a cultural oasis. The restaurant's interior is adorned with intricate woodwork and vibrant views, reminiscent of a traditional village gathering space. A blend of contemporary comfort and rustic charm sets the perfect stage for an unforgettable dining adventure. Really, I found Chaupal Restaurant amazing. Chaupal's menu is a carefully curated selection of dishes that showcase the rich tapestry of Pakistani cuisine. The restaurant offers a buffet style arrangement, allowing diners to indulge in a variety of flavors and textures, from succulent kebab to aromatic pastas. The buffet is a sensory celebration of the country's culinary heritage, combined with Western touch or having a Western touch. The gastronomic journey begins with a narrative tantalizing appetizers and starters. Guests can savor the melt in your mouth. See kebabs, each bite bursting with a symphony of spices. The Chaupal special pasta, pakoda, see kebab, tikka, a modern twist on a classic favorite, marry traditional flavors with contemporary presentation. The main course selection at Chaupal Desi Exotic Buffet Restaurant is a true testament to the restaurant's commitment to offering a diverse culinary experience. Fragrant chicken Karahi pays homage to the flavors of Punjab, while the aromatic, or you can say aromatic, Sindhi biryani takes diners on a voyage to the southern regions of Pakistan. For those seeking vegetarian options, the creamy dal makhani and velvet palak paneer are sure to delight. One of the highlights of dining at Chaupal is the live cooking stations where skilled chefs prepare dishes right before your eyes. The sizzle of the tawa chicken and the wafting aroma of freshly baked naans create an immersive dining experience that engages all the senses. No culinary journey is complete without a sweet ending, and Chaupal Desi Exotic Buffet Restaurant delivers with its delectable dessert spread from the classic gulab jamun to the innovation saffron infused jalebis. The dessert section is a playground for those with a sweet tooth. Beyond its exceptional cuisine, Chaupal Desi Exotic Buffet Restaurant offers impeccable service that adds to the overall dining experience. The staff is knowledgeable, attentive, and eager to accommodate diners' preferences, ensuring that each visit is memorable. Whether it's a family celebration, a corporate gathering, or a casual dinner with friends, Japan caters to a variety of occasions. The restaurant, amazing sitting and elegant ambiance make it a versatile choice for hosting events of all sizes. Before I end, let me tell you something that Chaupal Desi Exotic Buffet Restaurant stand out as a beacon of authentic Pakistani flavors, along with Western flavors. Its dedication to preserving tradition while embracing innovation has earned it a special place in the hearts of food lovers. For those seeking a true culinary expedition, a visit to Chaupal promises an unforgettable experience that celebrates the essence of Pakistani and Western cuisines. Guys, this was Chaupal Restaurant, and before I leave, let me tell you something that Pakistan is an amazing country. Oh world, come and explore Pakistan. Pakistani people are really lovely, and they know how to treat their valuable guests.
जब भाई मेहनत है मैं
So,
करते रह जाते
you're both your
मेरा इक्विपमेंट भी मैंने बेच दिया था जब मेरे हालात खराब
May
थे।
Allah bless Pakistan, Ameen.
बस यार हैकर्स बैठे
Don't
होते हैं
forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Lastly, you post your comments as well. Your comments will help me to improve my presentation skills. Take care, bye, and Allah Hafiz. Pakistan, Zindabad.